Good job. You got it done, bud.
Never done today.
All right, so the Star Wars Rebel Trooper Battle Pack by Lego. Now, this is from Rogue One, you think?
Yes.
I was thinking these are more like Rogue One than like Star Wars The Force Awakens. But these are super cool. So you have this little speeder to go wherever you're going, and you have this little Sentry type turret missile launcher. Oh no, we've got a man down. All right. And it comes with these 4 super cool minifigures.
Big clients.
So Bobby, what was your favorite part of this set? Who do you like? What's your favorite minifigure? It's okay if it's all of them. That one? No? This one. Yeah, this dude's pretty cool. He is pretty cool. Yeah.
Oh, not there.
Check this out. So, his helmet here, this little, his eyeglasses, they will actually go right on top of him.
Or her. Whatever.
So, if the terrain gets tough and he needs to block his eyes, he's got a shield. Alright. So, Bud, thanks for sharing your birthday videos with us. You got any final words for our friends at home? Do you? No? Alright, well.
Actually, yes.
Alright, what do you want to say?
I'm back from last night. Most dark videos have been there.
Yep, thanks for watching. Bye.